Joe Ator from Frankfurt on Foot, and today we are at the Adlerwerke. This is a big factory. It's right down the street from Gallus Warte, right down there. This factory at one time made bicycles and cars. If you've seen my historic museum video, there's a picture of the Adler car in there. This Adlerwerke, they made like tanks during the war, and they used thousands and thousands and thousands of slave laborers here, most of whom died, and the ones that didn't die got sent off on a death march right before the Americans came into Frankfurt. And most of them died on this death march too. So here you can see what they're doing. They're gonna make like a little museum here from the forced labor. It was a concentration camp, but not a concentration camp like you usually think of. You can see what an absolutely huge place this was. This machinery here, the building down here. Machinery is unbelievable looking. So you can imagine the thousands and thousands of slave laborers that were here, little to eat. They didn't have the right kind of clothing on. When bombs came, it's not like they got to go to a bombing shelter. I don't think they got anything to eat really, because the Nazis just kind of thought, well, there's more where those came from. So I'm glad to see them make a museum out of this. This is easy to get to at the S-Bahn. Get off at Gallus Warte, the S3, S4, S5, S6. Or you can get off in the Straßenbahns, the trams, the number 11, the number 21, the number 14. Thank you for watching, and look on the description for more information about the Adlerwerke. Thanks.